How to upgrade Final Fantasy XIV from PS4 to PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to upgrade your Final Fantasy XIV from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. Whether you're looking for faster load times, 4K graphics, or smoother performance, I'll guide you through every step. Step 1. Backup your character settings. First, let's backup your HUD layout, hotbars, and macros to avoid losing your preferences. On your PS4, launch Final Fantasy and go to the character selection screen. Select the gear icon next to the character's name. Choose Upload Character Settings to save to the server. 2. Sign in to your PS5. Now, switch to your PS5 and sign in using the semi-PlayStation Network account linked to your Final Fantasy data. 3. Download the free PS5 upgrade. Head to the PlayStation Store on your PS5 and search for Final Fantasy XIV. Locate the Final Fantasy PS5 Upgrade Edition. Select it and choose Download. It's free if you already own the PS4 version. 4. Install and launch the game. Once downloaded, install and launch the game on your PS5. 5. Restore your settings. On the character selection screen, click the gear icon and select Download Settings to restore your saved layout. 6. Enjoy the enhanced PS5 experience. You're all set. The PS5 version gives you 4K resolution, improved frame rates, faster load times, 3D audio, and haptic feedback. Perfect for exploring Eorzea. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to upgrade Final Fantasy XIV from PS4 to PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.